Today we learn a phonic sound. So, can we start a phonic sound? This is alphabet book for phonic sound. First sound is A. A says A. A says A. A for apple. B. B says B. B. B for ball. C. C says K. K for cat. D. D says D. D says D. D for dog. E. E says A. E says A. A for elephant. F. F says F. F says F. F for fish. G. G says G. G says G. G for goat. H. H says H. H. H for horse. I. I says E. I says E. E for ink. J. J says Z. J says Z. Z for jug. K. K says K. K says K. K for kangaroo. L. L says L. L says L. L for lamb. M. M says M. M says M. M for moon. N. N says N. N says N. N. N for nest. O. O says O. O says O. O for orange. P. P says P. P says P. P for pineapple. Q. Q says Q. Q says Q. Q for queen. R. R says R. R says R. R for rabbit. S. S says S. S says S. S for sun. T. T says T. T says T. T for tiger. U. U says A. U says A. A for umbrella. V. V says V. V says V. V for van. W. W says V. W says V. V for watch. X. X says S. X says S. S for box. Y. Y says Y. Y for yak. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z for zebra. Can we revise all sounds? O. O. B. B. K. D. A. F. G. H. I. Z. K. L. M. M. N. O. र स ट अ व व क्स य झ